Hey everybody, Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota, and today we are not in Minnesota. As you can see, we're outside with motorcycles in California. This is Borrego Springs, California. Mountains in the background, desert everywhere, beautiful place. But today I want to show you the 2019 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE. These bikes have been out doing some test rides today, so you'll see some dirt on them. Don't worry, yours will come with optional dirt. So, quick specs on this bike: 1200cc engine, custom scrambler tuned from Triumph. We're talking nearly 90 foot-pounds of torque on this guy. All kinds of electronics on this. Tubeless, spoked wheels, 21-inch front. The XE's got nearly 10 inches of travel through the suspension. Olin suspension all over this bike, front and rear, fully adjustable. So you got the clickers on the rear. M50 Brembos on the front, ABS, traction controls all standard. As we key it on here, so you can kind of see the dash. Really pretty screen. There it comes to life. You can see what's going on here. Now I won't do a big deal on this dash right away until I get my hands on one of these bikes and actually get to really mess with it. But as you can see, tons of information here. Coolant temps and contrast, just like the other gauges, different themes. So you can change those out so depending on what you like to look at. You know, styles in those themes, just like all. Trip 1, trip 2, fuel range, mileage, all that stuff. So just a ton going on this dash. Now we're about to get the opportunity to ride one of these, and I'll be able to give you my honest opinion once I do, because as you can see, there is more than one of these here. Same with Speed Twins. So I'm really excited about this bike. We're out, like I said, in the desert. So we're going to do some really good off-roading with these bikes, scrambling like you should be. So guys, if you are interested at all, retail price on the XE is going to start right about $15,400. And this is going to be one of the most beautiful scramblers on the market today, especially for the kind of money you're going to be spending on this. You want to make sure fit and finish and quality is there along with it. So as these start trickling into motorcycle dealers here in the next few months, stop in, take a look at them, sit on them, test drive them if you can. You will be able to at Motoprimo when we get one of these in-house. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I will go into more depth once I actually get my hands on one of these full-time, and you'll get to see and hear and feel how cool this bike is. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Dan with Motoprimo. Give us a call, 952-465-0506. And check us online at www.motoprimo.com.